BM English speaking radio channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 182 of season 3. Today's word is conform. The meaning of conform is comply with rules, standards or laws, behave according to socially acceptable standards, to be of similar pattern or type. With BM English speaking radio channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word conform. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Conform is spelled as C-O-N-F-O-R-M. The word conform indicates as action which is in acceptance with the set standards. This can be in context of the acceptable behavior in the society or related to legal framework. For example, businessmen setting up operations overseas need to conform to the local procedures and guidelines. Listen carefully how we can use the word conform in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. In the age of internet and social media, there is tremendous peer pressure on the youngsters to conform to the latest trends in fashion and electronic gadgets. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Chandan came from his village to the metro city for studying in a prestigious school. When his parents met the principal, she emphasized that Chandan must conform to the rules and regulations of the school completely. Example number 3 of 8. The latest bridge constructed across the river significantly improved upon the travel time in the town. The most noticeable feature of the bridge is that it conforms to the most stringent industry standards of safety. Let us understand example number 4 of 8. The travel blog invited Anish to pen down his experiences of visiting the rainforests near the equator. He agreed to write, but asked about the format so that he can confirm to the same. Wasn't that wonderful on his part? At BM English Speaking, we conduct English fluency courses at our training centers in Mumbai. And yes, we also conduct online courses in English fluency for you. To know more about these courses, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. A finance company was awarded a 2-year contract for managing the accounts of a large business group. As a part of the agreement, the client insisted that the staff working on this project must conform to the highest standards of professionalism. Let us understand example number 6 of 8. The media reported incidents of duplicate medicines being sold in the market. To prevent this, the authorities sent notices to all pharmaceutical companies to conform to the latest quality guidelines prescribed by them. Example number 7 of 8. The tour and travel company took a group of senior citizens to visit the neighboring country. As a part of their standard operating instructions, they requested all the group members to conform to the local traditions and customs. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. Manyata was invited to a welfare function by the Chamber of Commerce in her city. She was going to attend such event for the first time. Her colleagues advised her to get the details about the dress code and conform to the same. Today we learned the word conform, which means comply with the rules, standards or laws, behave according to socially acceptable standards, or to be of similar pattern or type. Can you frame 3 sentences with conform and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to enhance your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 182 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be releasing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.